By now, you've probably heard about multiplexes and how they can be a smart investment, but not many people are talking about why they're the complete solution for multi-generational living. That's where we come in. With 30 years of experience in custom homes and deep expertise in Vancouver's latest multiplex regulations, we help families design homes that truly work for today and the future. Today, we're diving into what makes custom multi-generation multiplexes so unique and why they might be the perfect fit for your family. We're here at the construction site of our latest multiplex development in the west side of Vancouver. At VictorEric, we are experts at managing the design, the construction, and the development of your multiplex project. This project is going to be a 4-unit multiplex project where we have 1 unit custom design for the landowner, and the other 3 is designed for the market. We were able to achieve very functional spaces inside and lots of outdoor spaces, not only on the 3rd level, but also a huge roof deck at the 4th level to capture the North Shore mountain views. Let's head back to the office to show you the floor plans and the renderings of the finished product. At VictorEric, we specialize in creating custom multiplexes designed specifically for intergenerational living. That means homes where grandparents, parents, and kids can all live together comfortably, but still have privacy in their units and in their yard space and independence when they need it. So what exactly is a custom intergenerational multiplex? Unlike standard multi-unit homes, these are tailored to your family's needs. Each unit is designed for separate living while maintaining shared spaces for connection, like shared outdoor areas, patios, or common living spaces. The goal is flexibility, to grow with your family, accommodate visitors, or even generate rental income if that's what you need. Every family is different, which is why a one-size-fits-all approach doesn't work. That's where our custom approach comes in, balancing privacy, functionality, and long-term value. So who is the custom multiplex really for? It's for families navigating real-life transitions, the ones we see every single week. It's for parents who want to age in place but need to downsize while staying close to their kids without giving up their independence. It's for adult children who want to build a future in Vancouver but can't afford to buy a home in today's market and don't want to move hours away from people they care about. It's for divorced or blended families who need separate living spaces but still want to keep the family unit together. Custom multi-generational multiplexes are not just a trend. They're in response to Vancouver's housing challenges with increasing property prices and the need for families to stay close. Multi-generational homes are becoming more popular than ever. And by designing your own custom multiplex, you're ensuring that the home meets your needs while maximizing property potential. So here's an example of a floor plan for a custom multiplex that we designed. You'll see what's important is that every unit should have its own private patio space, and we've really worked on that. For this client, what's important for them is to have open floor plans. And you have here the living room and the dining room and the kitchen, quite large, with a walk-in laundry. That's usually not typical in multiplexes, but for this client it was important for them to have a functional working laundry just like a single-family home. And also what's interesting is with their request, they wanted a bit of a grandparent suite so that there's a private powder room here for their use if they need it. So that's really nice. And then if we go to the second floor here, we were able to give them 4 bedrooms, which is quite interesting because most multiplexes, small spaces and stuff, it's harder to get so many features. We actually gave them 4 bedrooms with 3 washrooms. So one is for the master ensuite, which is nice and generous and large. And then one for private ensuite with the bedrooms, and then the other one is outside for the 2 kids to share. Large walk-in closet. So you can see that what's really important when designing multiplex in smaller spaces is just the efficiency of use, which we've been able to do for this client. And what's very interesting is We also gave them an additional room upstairs. So there's 3 levels here, right on grade. It's important for the grandparents to have on grade access. And the 3rd level is this extra flex room, we're calling it. This could be used as a gym or a rec area for when their kids grow up. It could be a extra master bedroom once the kids are grown and the parents want a bit more private space for themselves, because what they have is a large patio that is available to this room, with a study area here for home office, which is really nice, with a walk-in closet and a ensuite. And then above this level is another set of stairs that goes up to the roof deck itself. There's no, it's just a roof access, so we won't show you that. So the beauty about multiplex is that it can be still custom designed to your family's needs, and have your adult child, for instance, live beside you, or your siblings if you're sharing this project costs with them, or even your parents. So there's lots of flexibility around multiplexes. If you're considering a home that can support your family today and your future, we're here to guide you every single step of the way. So make sure you're subscribed to our channel, follow us on LinkedIn, and stay tuned for the next video where we dive deeper into custom intergenerational multiplex projects. See you soon.